Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Mini Cooper seats using an easy method. First, ensure your car is off and the battery is disconnected for safety. You'll need a basic toolkit, primarily a Torx bit set and a ratchet. We'll start by accessing the rear bolts, which are often hidden. This process is straightforward, even for beginners, and will save you time and effort. Let's get started with the first step. Now, with the rear bolts removed, slide the seat all the way back to reveal the front mounting bolts. These are usually the same size as the rear ones. Once those are out, you can gently tilt the seat to access the electrical connectors underneath. Take your time here. These can be delicate. Disconnect all wires, including those for airbags and seat heaters, to fully free the seat. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give this video a like. It really supports the channel. On another note, after all that work, you'll be hungry. Make meal prep a breeze with these amazing leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Removing the rear seats is even simpler. For the bottom cushion, just pull up sharply on the front edge. It's usually held by clips. Once the base is out, you'll see the bolts or clips for the seat back. Unclip or unbolt these, then lift the seat back straight up and out. Remember to store all bolts and small parts safely to avoid losing them. This makes reinstallation much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.